Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 9.1 13th question onwards. As observed from 13th one, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So first a lighthouse having height 75 meters. Draw a vertical line and here the height of the lighthouse equal to 75 meters. There are two ships on the same side of the lighthouse. Okay. The angle of depressions are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. So since it is angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse, draw a horizontal line. From that, the angle of depression of first one it is 60 degree and the second 45 degree and the second it is 30 degree. Okay, so this angle equal to 30 degree, and from the horizontal line second angle equal to 45 degree. By using alternate interior angle theorem, we get here it is 30 degree and this one will become 45 degree. Okay, there are two right triangles ABC and ABD respectively. Okay, so it is a tower having 75, lighthouse having 75-meter high, and angle of depressions are 30 degree and 45 degree. Since here it is 30 degree, this one will become 30 by using alternate interior angle theorem. Here it is 45 degree, this one will also will become 45 degree. Okay, take the first right triangle, that is in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, so first we have to find the distance between the two ships, that is CD we have to find. Take this much distance as X, remaining take it as Y. Okay, here it is Y. Now in triangle ABC we have to connect opposite and adjacent sides, so take tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to opposite side as 75 by adjacent side as Y. But tan 45 equal to 1. 1 equal to 75 by Y. From that we get Y equals 75 meters. Okay. Number this equation as 1. Now take the second right triangle. Second right triangle, it is in right triangle ABD, isn't it? In right triangle ABD. We have to take tan 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. Since we have to connect opposite and adjacent sides, take tan 30. Tan 30 equal to opposite side 75 by adjacent side total distance, that is X plus Y. Here it is X and Y respectively. So by adding we get X plus Y is the total distance. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by X plus Y. Cross multiplying we get X plus Y equal to 75 root 3. Now by substituting the value of Y from equation 1, we get X plus 75 equal to 75 root 3. Therefore X equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, that is equal to, by taking 75 outside we get root 3, 75 into root 3 minus 1. So distance between the two ships equal to X, that is equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1. Therefore distance between the ships equal to two ships equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay, 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters. 14th question. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters. Balloon is at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Okay, a 1.2 meter tall girl. First draw a vertical line, then 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind at a horizontal wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters. So a balloon is at a height of 88.2 meters. Okay, angle of elevation equal to, from this point, from the eyes of the girl, the angle of elevation means draw the horizontal here, then mark it as how much? 60 degree. Angle of elevation at the first point it is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. So the balloon is at the same height, 88.2 meters. Now here the angle of elevation will become, extend this horizontal line, angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Okay, angle of elevation equals 30 degree. Now here, since here it is 1.2 meters, this one is also equal to 1.2. Up to this much it is 1.2. Total 88.2 means remaining equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 87 meters. Here it is 1.2 meters, remaining equal to 88, that is 87 meters. Okay, here it is 87 meters. Up to this much 1.2, remaining 87 meters. Now two right triangles are there. First one A, B, C. Second A, D, E. Okay, A, B, C and A, D, E. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval that we have to find. So distance travel means this much distance it traveled. So take it as X. Remaining here it is Y. Okay, Y. First right triangle it is ABC. In right triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equal to, here the angle is in triangle ABC, angle equal to 60 degree. So tan 60 degree equal to opposite side 87 by adjacent side y. Tan 60 equal to root 3, that is equal to 87 by y, or we get y equals 87 divided by root 3, isn't it? Y equal to 87 by root 3. Now rationalizing into root 3, here also into root 3, that is equal to 87 root 3 divided by 3. Now 3 and 87 cancels, it is 29 times. So we get y equal to 29 root 3. Y equals 29 root 3. We can number this equation as 1. Now take the second right triangle, that is in right triangle ADE. Okay, in right triangle ADE, take tan 30 degree. Tan, here the angle is 30 degree. In this triangle, angle equal to 30 degree. Therefore, tan 30 degree equal to opposite side 87 by adjacent side total distance, it is x plus y. 87 by x plus y. X plus y. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, 1 by root 3 equal to 87 by x plus y. Cross multiplying, we get x plus y equal to 87 root 3. Now we can substitute the value of y from equation 1. Therefore, x plus 29 root 3 equal to, instead of y we can substitute 29 root 3, that is equal to 87 root 3, reason from equation 1. Okay, from 1 we can substitute the value of y. Therefore, we get x equal to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. 87 minus 29, it is 58 root 3. Okay, x equals 58 root 3. That is distance traveled by the balloon equal to 28 root 3 meters. Okay, therefore Therefore, distance traveled by the balloon equal to distance traveled by the balloon equals 58 root 3 meters. 58 root 3 meters. Okay. 15th question. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. It is given that the car is having uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. So first draw the tower. Its height is not given. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. So here angle of depression of the car from the top of the tower equal to 30 degree. Okay. From the top of the tower, the angle of depression equal to 30 degree. That is, draw a horizontal line. Draw the horizontal line. Then the angle of depression, here it is 30 degree. So this angle will become 30 using alternate interior angle theorem, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So the car is approaching towards the foot of the tower, isn't it? So the angle of depression will become 60 degree. Here the angle equal to 60 degree. This one is also equal to 60. So there are two right triangles, ABC and ABD. Okay, two right triangles are there. So here the distance traveled we have to find. After that, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. First distance traveled equal to y, and time taken it is given as 6 seconds. Okay, time taken equal to 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Here we have to find the time taken. Now first in triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, opposite side we can take H. Opposite side height is not given, so we can take H. Tan 60 degree equal to opposite side H by adjacent side X. Tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to H by X. Therefore, we get X equal to X root 3 equal to, or we can write H equal to X root 3. Okay, H equals X root 3. Number this equation as 1. Cross multiplying, we get H equal to X root 3. Now from the second right triangle, that is ABD. In right triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to opposite side H by adjacent side total distance, that is X plus Y. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite side H by adjacent side X plus Y. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, that is equal to H by X plus Y. Cross multiplying, we get X plus Y equal to H root 3. Okay. Now instead of H, we can substitute X root 3. So X plus Y equal to X root 3 into root 3. Reason, from substituting the value of H from the equation 1. Substituting the value of H from equation 1. Now that is, we get X plus Y equal to 3X, or 3X minus X, that is 2X. Y equal to 2X, isn't it? Y equal to 2X. That is distance traveled equal to, sorry, we have to find x, isn't it? So 2x equal to y, therefore x equal to y by 2. X equals y by 2. Distance traveled by the car in second case equal to y by 2. Now we can take two cases, first case and second case. Distance traveled in first case equal to y, isn't it? Distance traveled in first case equal to y. Second case equal to y by 2. Second case it is x, x equal to y by 2. Time taken in first case equal to 6 seconds. Second case we have to find. Now speed equal to distance divided by time. Here it is y by 6 and here y by 2 divided by t. Here we have given that it is at a uniform speed. The car is at a uniform speed. Uniform speed. Since it is having uniform speed, we can take speed in first case y by 6 equal to y by 2 divided by t. Cross multiplying ty equal to 6 into y by 2. Cancelling, here it is 3 times, y and y cancels. Therefore, time taken equal to 3 seconds. So, time taken by the car to travel the second distance, that is from here to foot of the tower. Foot of the tower equal to 3 seconds. Therefore, time taken equals 3 seconds. Okay, that is the final answer. Thank you.